Video started a bit late. Cameraman's stuck in traffic. So far 0-0. Well played, Craig. Unlucky, boys, unlucky. Connor! Ah, unlucky. Well played. Ben takes the shot. Unlucky, mate.
Josh! Look out, Josh!
Well played, Panos.
Great. Josh!
Well played.
Back post!
Got plenty of time, mate. Look at Ben. Well played. What a goal!
Let him go there.
Lucky, mate. Lucky.
Remember, we don't need to swap men, Adrian. I can't tell them what.
Look at Connor. Oh. Well played.
Guys, I've got two! Go back! Go back! Flip over! Flip! Move! Four! Yes! One touch!
Well played.
Ben's got to go centre.
Pressure! Come back to him!
Find something now. Come on.
Oh, well played. That's yours, Ben. What a goal, mate.
Refs up. Really good stuff. Be aware, whenever we're attacking, there's always a two-member. Just have it. Time. Play it again. There's three there, two of them. Spread out, guys. Come on. How many minutes is it, Ali?
About 8.
Next time, yeah?
Alright.
Back head on FP.
Lewis, what's up, mate? Unlucky. Well played.
Pick it up. Time.
Look at Craig.
Andy, right shoulder, Andy.
Well played, keeper.
Josh, come across. If you can.
Got time, mate. Got time. Kapanos. Oh. That's it, Craig. Oh.
Time. Move, Jamie. Move.
Okay. Lucky Andy. What Andy? Go down, Josh.
Two coming. Andy.
Josh, stay with him. Josh, stay with him.
Stop. Guys.
Over me, side. Jimmy. Get side.
Look at Craig. Unlucky, mate. Sub. Ref. Take the cam.
Lewis, in a sec for me when you're ready. Inside. More movement! I see JT's yours!
Yes, Ali. Well played, Panos. It's this machine today. Why are you late, mate?
What's your one, Josh?
What's your excuse? Shocking. How much of a fine is that? You should know by now, right? It's another 250. Beers on you, though. Get yourself on the pitch, mate. We're knackered.
Yep.
Get your ass on there. What are you thinking about this trip to Cornwall?
Football commentary you want?
Oh, I guess so. Yeah, go on. While we're waiting, Lou, what's your take on the trip to Cornwall?
It'll be fun, mate.
I think it'll be fun. You heard it here first, folks. We missed the little first bit of this game. No one was recording. Well played, Si. Hold it up. Sorry, lads, I missed that. I forgot to bring the camera with me.
Time, mate. Loads of time. Keep going, mate. Time. Turn face.
If you're tired, sub off.
Mate, that was ridiculous by Si. Sub! Sub!
Craig, if you want.
Ref! No, you go on next. I'll go on next. Craig, do you want to hold this? I'm going to get back on.
That's it all. 3-2, yeah.
Boys, heads back up. It's just the one.
I'll move, Lewis.
Unlucky, lads.
Jeez.
Ali Gibbons, swap. I want you to furthest man forward, Ali.
Craig, you go.
You off, yeah?
Well,
inside, chase that,
well
chase
inside.
that.
Set Ben,
Keep
set Ben. Mind your back, Ben. Mind your back. Well in. Well in, Lewis.
Get there, Craig, get there.
Well back, lads.
Time, slow it, slow it.
Side, if they're not going to pressure, they don't pressure.
Craig, have a
It's on
look
them.
up here, mate.
Well in, lads. Make him run, lads. Make him run.
Ben, look in.
Touch Ben, well in.
Go on, Ben. Don't be afraid to put another challenge in, mate. Ben, don't get dragged too much behind you. Behind you.
Well back, Ben, well in. Tackle, Thanos.
Lewis, get going, get going, get going.
Unlucky, lads.
Boys, more communication on the pitch. Craig, take.
I don't like those long ones. Same with the corner. That's why I went short for the corner. Anything that we send long, we never win. I'd rather just play it out. It's only 13 minutes.